Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, January 3rd, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We have a lot to talk about. Before I begin, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell. You get the point. And also, if you're looking for more detailed information on our winter storm, well, definitely check out the Premium Consulting membership, as I'll be doing live chat on that side throughout the day and also updating observations on Twitter. So definitely follow along there. So this is going to account for the 8 a.m. observations. And basically what we're seeing here is pretty much what I've been expecting. We are seeing some pretty good snowfall here taking place over southern New Jersey. Temperatures have fallen finally to around freezing, allowing for some snow accumulation to begin. But further north, we are seeing that dry air acting as a wall. Look at our dew points basically in the teens over the interior. That dry air is pushing southward. And so temperatures over the interior range from the lower to mid-20s, around the New York City metro in the upper 20s to lower 30s, and lower to mid-30s over southern New Jersey with that snow breaking out. We have some snow showers taking place over Philadelphia, and that is pretty much as far north as this snow band has gotten so far. Your focus is down here with your heavier snow bands, and some of the mesoscale banding that's taking place is really key, because remember, the stronger you have snow bands here, the more sinking air you have here. This is why I was very, very hesitant in pushing this snowfall forecast any further north than what I have right now. Also, while most locations I think are going to be in that 4 to 8 range, wherever you get this mesoscale banding, if you get any type of thunder snow, someone's going to hit 10 inches out of this because of that. So definitely watch out for that down towards Atlantic City, Wildwood, Cape May, those locations. Now on the radar, it looks impressive, right? It looks like the snow shields all the way up into Connecticut. This is what we call virga. This is dry air limiting your snowfall, and really, your snow shield is back here, but your moisture at the mid-levels is pushing up as far north as Connecticut. So that's why we still have the potential for some flurries here and snow showers and maybe a period of light snow over central New Jersey and down towards portions of the south side of Long Island. But you can really see this evolution really nicely here at, right here. 700 millibars. You see this little drop here of drier air. This is at 80%. This is 90%. This is where your precipitation snowfall is falling. This right here is your dry air. This is where your precipitation shield is pushing northward, but the dry air is preventing the snow accumulation. And also you can see that pretty clearly here with this convergence and confluence. So it's all lining up here, and our storm's going to continue to march to the east-northeast with some pretty impressive snowfall over the southern tier. I would not be surprised if southern New Jersey touches close to blizzard conditions here with strong northeasterly winds pushing anywhere between 15 to 30 miles per hour with higher gusts. So poor visibility is going to be a nasty day down there. So the overall forecast remains this, where your focus is pretty much zone 1 here, where I'm looking overall 4 to 8 inches of snow, 2 to 4 inches on your pavement, especially treated pavement. Someone is going to push to around 10 inches here. It's just a matter of where is that mesoscale band going to set up and potentially some thunder snow. Then we get a pretty drastic cutoff as we head further north to 2 to 4 inches, 1 to 2 inches, and then in zone 4 here, a trace to an inch. So that's your New York City metro. So there's going to be a very tight cutoff here, because remember, the stronger the lifting here, the stronger the sinking air here. So that has to happen. That's a basic physics proposition. It's a law, and the laws will be followed in physics as always. So that's where we stand with this storm, and it's moving at a pretty good clip, as expected. It'll be out of here by the time we get to about 4 or 5 p.m. Do not be surprised if it cuts off faster, as this storm is really booking. It's moving at a pretty good pace here. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, periods of snow heavy at times over southern New Jersey, snow showers in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas, flurries further north, temperatures basically moving nowhere. Where you are right now, that's where you're going to be for this afternoon. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for clearing skies, temperatures falling off into the mid-teens to lower 20s throughout the region. Those of you in southern New Jersey with that snowpack, you're going to actually be the coldest locations, especially if we achieve radiational cooling. So definitely watch out for that. And then tomorrow afternoon, well, temperatures are going to rebound into the lower to mid-30s with tranquil conditions. And then on Wednesday, we have a weak cold front moving through with a few isolated rain and snow showers. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. A little question here in terms of how the snowpack will impact these temperatures. Still not sure yet. We'll have to see exactly how much snow we get, where it sets up, and that's really important for the rest of this forecast. On Thursday, cold air returns as high pressure builds in behind that cold front. Look for clear skies to sky cloud cover. Lows in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. And then we have our storm approaching for Friday morning. This is a typical Miller B storm. So you have your low pressure system developing in the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys, redeveloping towards the coastal plain. How this sets up is really going to be important, as the storm for today is going to have a direct impact on how this storm shapes up. And I got roughly about 63% of the ensemble guidance further east here. So we're going to have to watch this storm very carefully. Right now I'm thinking good chance for snow, all snow over the interior, and a wintry mixed mess along the coast. If this storm is further east, or let's say develops right over the New Jersey coastal borders and south of Long Island, then everyone's looking at a pretty good snowfall out of this. So we have to wait and see how this all evolves, but certainly a pretty good potential for a winter storm for the end of this week. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. Again, the track here is going to be key. If it's further east, it's going to be colder. If it's further west, it's going to be warmer. We'll have to watch it, see how it plays out. On Saturday, look for a scattered cloud cover and chilly. Lows in the single digits to mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid-20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. On Sunday, a cold front moves through with rain and snow showers. Lows in the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid-20s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. And then on Monday, high pressure builds in, but watch out for some flurries and maybe some lake effect snow bands, maybe a snow squall or two for the Poconos and Catskills. Look for lows in the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper teens to mid 20s over the interior and mid 20s to lower 30s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. We will have live coverage throughout the day. You can follow on Twitter, and also if you have questions, you can ask them as a premium member in the live chat, which I will be in throughout the day. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.